Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix feedback required on the Instagram. So if you want to fix this problem, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store and right here you have to search for the Instagram. Once you will search for it, you can simply update it from here and try to log into your account. And if it's not solved, simply tap a while on the Instagram application and go to the info from here. Once you will do it, after that you have to click on the storage and the cache and clear your storage from here. Once you will do it, try to log into your Instagram account. Maybe your problem will be solved. Moreover, simply if it's not fixed by applying these methods, simply uninstall the Instagram application and reinstall the Instagram. So these are the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.